So I'm John Marks. I'm one of the co-founders and directors of Adaptive. We're a financial services software consultancy. So we founded in 2012. But prior to that, the founding partners had over 10 years of background in consultancy and banking. So we've grown from 4 to about 80 people in that time. And our clients include banks, hedge funds, now commodities, energy traders, and fintechs, I guess most interesting. So what we think we bring is a unique blend of IP and business and technology knowledge, but also the change management. We're also development partners of OpenFin. So we were sat around in Adaptive Towers a few years ago, and we thought, well, all this banking stuff is very interesting, but let's do something cool. So we sat down and had to think, let's open source something. Oh, brilliant. What can we open source? I know. Let's build a to-do list. Everyone needs a to-do list. No, apparently they don't. So it turns out that's been done to death. So we thought we'd do something a bit more controversial. We built an FX trading platform, and we open sourced it, and we call it Reactive Trader. So the first version was open sourced in April of 2014, and we presented it at ReactConf. And it looks something like this. So it's your standard FX trading application, which I'm sure a lot of people are familiar with. So on the main pane, we have some FX currency tiles that are tradable. On the right-hand side, we have an analytics pane, and we have a blotter down below. And we built it with the kit that was best at the time. So we used Knockout on the client. We thought TypeScript was cool, and we used that at the time. We made use of RX, which was mentioned in the Angular talk. So we used that to deal with asynchrony, manipulating streams of data, and so on. We built the server in .NET, so in order to push the prices, we used SignalR. And we ran all of this in Microsoft Azure. We also built WPF and iOS clients. And you can see the GitHub link there. So, check it out. But then we worked out that the world has moved on. So we decided to build something new again. So we built Reactive Trader Cloud. So we built it again with the latest kit. So we built the front end in HTML5 using React and Redux. Again, we make use of RxJS. And it's running now, as of about a week ago, in OpenFin 6. So the server we built in .NET again, but this time in .NET Core running on Linux. We adopted a microservices architecture. And we run all those microservices in Docker containers that we host on Google's cloud platform in a Kubernetes cluster. And we're using Crossbar I/O for push messaging. Again, there's the GitHub URL. I'm sure the slides will be shared, so please check that out and contribute. And it looks a bit like this. And this is when I have to cross my fingers that the Wi-Fi's up to scratch, which it seems to be. So this is Adaptive's Reactive Trader Cloud running in OpenFin on a Mac. You can see it's pretty responsive. We've got live streaming prices. You can interact with it. We can trade on this. We can trade on this. There it goes through. We're getting pop-up notifications. Being that it's an OpenFin, we get all the lovely goodness of pop-up windows and so on. And Dan talked a little before about Chart IQ, so if the demo gods are with me, here's Chart IQ integrated with the Reactive Trader Cloud. So really, this is a very responsive, fully featured platform, all open source, all free for you to play with. You do with it what you will. Very pleased to take contributions to this. I mean, from our point of view, we use it as a test bed to try out new things, and we think it's good to share that with the community. So it'd be good to see your contributions. And that's all I had. So if anyone has any questions or if they want to come talk to me later on, I'd be thrilled to talk to you.